Two suspects, individuals inside.
Approach slowly, do not come in or you will be creamed.
Alright, alright, I don't want to get creamed, definitely.
Don't touch the door.
There's gooey white substance on the door, don't touch the door.
Whatever
Dude,
you're
I
thinking
love
it
gooey
is,
white
it's exactly what it
substances.
is.
Man, I told you not to get on the door, alright?
Hey.
Whoa, 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 wow, he has no shame. I think he likes it.
Alright, I already have the incident started. If you guys want to just all add to that one. Most recent.
Why you got that bag? What you gonna do with that bag?
It's for the hostage, making sure.
I mean, the only thing he's done is he's only creamed himself. That's the only thing he's done. That's the only thing he's guilty of, alright?
In this bag is some new cream, so he can repack his cream, and some pants, so he can change the ones that have been creamed.
Here. Sir, he wants to know, do you want to cream some more or not?
No, not really.
You need to drink water. Drink water.
Want some water, mate? How much time are you asking for back there? You got some demands?
In a few minutes. Relax, baby.
Alright, alright. What's wrong, mate?
Maybe if you take off some clothes, you go faster. Faster. Take off your shoe.
Okay, Pudgy, the breach, tell me somebody stop.
Okay.
Yeah, come on, break my
They said they got
asshole.
like 3 minutes. They said they got 3 minutes. They need 3 minutes.
Okay, they got 2 minutes left on their breach timer, so
Oh, like 30 seconds, 30
we'll go and stack up real quick.
I'll make you grip the bed sheet, big boy.
I'm kidding, Pudgy.
Yeah, I was going for it. You had me for a moment. Did we have you? Did we scare you? Because I was scared for a moment. I thought we were doing it. I thought we were going down. I thought this... Mate, your life was about to be put in jeopardy. It's not though, it's not though. We don't do that here. We're a respectful group.
True professionals.
Yeah.
We are professional and we follow our SOPs to the letter. Shots fired. Shots fired.
No, she just...
Shots fired inside of the bank.
What did you say?
I just called out on the radio that there were shots fired inside
You
of
want
the
to see
bank.
something cool? Look,
Yeah, let's see
I
it.
don't like this bitch right here. Watch out, I don't want to hit you and then...
Hit me with it. I wanna see what happens.
Look, now she gone.
Where's everybody that's at that Fleeca?
We're still on scene. It's just me and Pudgy.
Where's the other car?
He
Did
asked
they get
for it.
away?
It was consensual. He wanted the cream.
A firm, and then another Fleeca pop that we were going by on the way back.
Okay, so who was first on scene here? What are we charging these two with?
They will be charged with armed robbery and fleeing invading. And I wanted to take over booking them, but I needed someone to come relieve me here to help Pudgy.
Bring in the shovel.
My apologies, I grabbed these two. Are you still at the other Fleeca?
You know what's weird to think?
We just
Alright.
need...
Airport Boulevard, passing casino. 1050 at the casino. 1070. Wrong foot. Four.
Because they're gonna be on
The
foot.
building
One
out.
has an automatic weapon. Oh, never mind, they put it away.
Way. They jumped out. Bottom of the street. here by the cab parking, the cab lot.
Anybody responding to that officer down?
I got this. I'll go for the others. Negative in and -70%. One in the backyard of 7298 on line 20. He's coming towards us.
Motherfuck you! No!
Oh, taser, mate.
I wasn't going to shoot you. Why you do that to me? Why you do that banging? Ow, shit. Ow, ow, ow.
Yeah, anyone you all to respond
You weren't gonna catch me if it wasn't for that fucking bad boy with that car.
How's it getting your brother together?
So
You shove him in, buddy.
Repeat that 201. Do you have your brother all set up? Get him on the radio and take him with you.
That's what I'll do. We're just going through the armory, trying to get him all set up.
I tried to.
Oh my, taser. You idiot insane. Holy shit.
604 gonna be 97 code 3.
I'll go in for 24 6. Holy shit.
Run off these donuts. Run the donuts off. Run the donuts off. I stuck.
Okay.
Now, I'm stuck. I'm
Okay.
still fucked.
Quit, stop escalating.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should be able to move now, Mel.
Let me up this car. I fuck you up now. I fuck you up. I fight you.
Can you move now? Oh.
Yeah, I can move assistedly.
I put a chopstick in your asshole.
Okay, I'll process these, Huggy.
Motherfucking.
76 2. Okay, you other two gonna comply? I'm gonna let you walk freely.
Yeah. Take it to the man.
Okay.
Tell him to stick it in the man. Stick it in the man.
Stick it in the man.
No, stick it in the man. That's my job.
Alright, mate. At this time.
In Los Santos, you understand these rights as I read them to you.
I understand. I say, you say,
Okay.
I have right to be attorney. How much attorney get paid? Cause this job no good.
Yep.
They have a standard fee.
Hey, Gramps.
Yeah.
Grampy. Hey, listen.
It's
You have the right to remain silent, and maybe you should for once. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of the streets, and you have the right to an attorney, but let's see how many of them still return your calls. If you cannot afford one, well, I guess justice finally balanced those scales, huh? Do you understand these rights have they have just been read to you, or do you want to keep pretending that you're above them?
I like that one. Get fucked, nerd.
I don't even know what to say to that. She had that like memorized. She was ready for that.
No, beat him
How
up.
about this? How about this? How about this?
Yeah, you
You
beat
fight him.
me.
You fight him for our freedom. You could.
Yeah, I
You can go
fight
and send them.
you.
I do for
They're
you
getting
for
10 months each, Captain.
All three of them?
Yep, all three, 10 months.
Hello,
Ken.
Captain. I show respect to you, cause you captain.
Hey, don't say 10. That's
More
Hello,
Phil
sir.
Griffen.
65.
Phil Griffen had the combat pistol on him,
Alright, have a good day.
and then he
You
had
too,
a
peace.
the cash on him. The
I
petty
wanna-
cash. He had 7,000,
I want a paintball gun.
79,995.
Where do you get the paintball guns?